Welcome back to my studio. Today I'm gonna show you how I hand embellish prints of my digital paintings. So every time I print my digital paintings, first of all I print them professionally using archival paper and archival inks, but I also want to add like my personal touch, so I add some acrylic or watercolor paints on top of the print, so make each of the print a little bit unique. So here you will see how I embellish those 5 small prints. These are cute 4x4 prints, which are great for like a gift or as a less expensive option when I have art fairs. So I will show you how I do it, and also I will show you the finished product when they are framed in a small simple frames, and I will also leave links to some of the material I used in the description of the video. My name is Marta Nowicka. I am Polish visual artist based in the US. I am an abstract painter, printmaker. I also create digitally. And on my channel I share my art process, art journey, tutorials. So check it out. Also like, subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. So as you can see, I really like creating those paintings which have a lot of like those vibrant colors, and the 5 small prints here, I think I already added a touch of vibrant color before, but I wanted to embellish them even more. So you will see that I will add my favorite golden vibrant fluorescent paint. I will put links to these paints in the description, and I will also add a gold watercolor paint to add some sparkle to the prints. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about my digital art and how I create digital paintings, I have a video. I will link that in the description above and at the end of this video. So I like creating those vibrant paintings because I want to add some color, some joy, some energy to people's apartments or houses. And I think that a small pop of color will add that and will bring some smile to people. So these are just 4x4, but I also have a very limited editions of a larger ones. But if you'd like to check, I have those smalls available on my website right now, and also a few larger ones if you like them. And also check out my other videos. I have tutorials in printmaking, in watercolors, in mixed media. I also have my art book library where I review art books for abstract landscapes, for still life, for printmakers. So you can find some interesting books there as well. So enjoy the process and let me know in the comments how do you like this idea of hand embellishing of either your digital art prints or maybe your giclées, or maybe you do that already. I think it's a great way to give this personal touch to the print and make it special. So yeah, enjoy the video and let me know what do you think. So here they are, 5 hand embellished small prints of my digital paintings. You can see how this gold watercolor paint sparkle, but you can add acrylic, you can add gold ink, whatever you have. I love those vibrant colors, and they are fluorescent paints, so they also glow in a black light. Also, as you can see with my digital art, the way I paint digitally is very similar to the way I paint with traditional mediums, which means I use different layers, different brushes. I want my paintings to almost feel like painted with acrylics or watercolors. So to frame them, I use those small 6x6 frames, and here is the final product. I think they look cute. This is a great idea for gift or whatever occasion you may have, and also like hanging not just one but like 4 or 6 on the wall, and they will create a nice collection. So I hope you enjoy this. See you next time. Bye.